In this lecture, you will learn that how you can design awesome infographics using Canva and what's the demand for these infographics and all that. Okay, so first of all, let's just talk about the demand of the infographics. Let's just go to Fiverr, and here I have searched for infographic design, and here you can see the pro sellers are selling the infographics for $195, $325, $395 with hundreds of reviews. And if I'll just remove the pro sellers, you can see here are hundreds of and thousands of reviews, and like thousands of dollars as well, so and thousands of orders as well. And you can also just learn that, and it ranges from $30 to $110 per infographic, and I think that's a great amount and great opportunity you can use to design the infographics. If you don't know where infographics are used, here you can see, let me just give you an example on Pinterest. Here is the Pinterest wall of Mashable, where all the infographics are listed by Mashable, and here you can see these are the examples of infographics. And these are required by blogs, professionals and artists, and also news agencies. So they want to hire someone to design their infographics, and you can be the one to design the infographics for them. Okay, and these are also used in Instagram post. If you have followed some people on some like productivity guides on Instagram, they used to post it constantly. Some business mentors on Instagram, they also used to post it constantly on Instagram, Facebook, and a lot other platforms. Now, how to design it? Just go to home, Canva, and you can just again create design and search for infographic, or you have infographic here, or you can just let's just do it something different. Just search for infographic in templates, and you will get all the templates, and you can choose it from like easily, and it would be easy to choose an infographic. There are premium infographics as well that requires the pro version. Now let's suppose I want this one, I want to design this one, so let's just select this, and here we have selected it, and let's just make it a bit bigger. Let's suppose 67%. Now if you want to edit the elements, click on each element. If you want to change its color, let's suppose I want to make it white, I want to make it this one, I want to make it purple, we can do this. If you want to change the clouds, if you want to change the elements, or if you want to add more elements, also just keep following the previous lectures, because in previous lecture I have told you that how to add the elements, and don't just skip any lecture. And then here you want to change text or fonts, you can change it. If you want to add or remove object, like let's suppose I want to remove this object, and just go to elements to add any other object, productivity. So let's suppose I want to add this one, so you can add this object here, organize yourself. This is not suitable, but you can select it for your choice and add it here. And you can change the text as well, you can change the icons, and at the end you can add the client's website. Like let's suppose my website is FiverrHub.com, so you can add the client's website, and that's all. Just click on share, just click on download, and here you can just download it in PDF, PDF print, and PDF standard as well. And if you want to download it in SVG, you will have to buy the Canva Pro. Okay, so just download it. After it's downloaded, let's just see how it's looking right now, and that's how it is looking right now. This is a PDF, and you can just send it to the client and get your money. Okay, and that's all how you can design the infographic and deliver it to the client in the file, and that's all. Let's move on to the next lecture.